Alright, today is such an impromptu video because I am going to be sewing stuff. Yes, I have left this till the last week that I'm living in New Zealand and I should have been doing this the whole time, but it seems just so fitting that I have a sewing video considering I film all my videos in my Nana's sewing room. Hey, I'm Jen and I kind of think I can sew. Not really sure. I've only sewed a couple of things in my life, but my Nana is a dressmaker. My mum is like pretty decent at sewing, and then there's me. So in theory it should be in the blood and we should be able to make a couple of really cute Pinterest inspired tops today. Now my Nana has like so much fabric and I've gone through and picked out all the bits I really love, and hopefully I can make a couple of cool shirts today. Now I would say this is a tutorial video, but I'm really not sure how it's going to turn out, so let's just show you the process of me making some sewing. Alright, I want to make a pattern for this because it's like my favorite tank, and then I'm going to make like a yin yang top out of it, so yes. So yeah, I traced around that top and cut out the pattern. Pro tip, I folded it in half to get it symmetrical on both sides. Then I went ahead and drew the yin yang design just to see if it kind of fit on the paper. Then I placed the pattern on top of the black fabric. I actually folded it in half to make it symmetrical, and I did the same to the white, and you only need one of each color. Then I went ahead and unfolded them and I placed them on top of each other so that I could draw the design on the fabric and it would be the same on both pieces. And then went ahead and cut that all out. So you're going to end up with 2 white and 2 black pieces, and then you put them both together to make the yin yang swirl effect. We then put the black and white together and overlocked along the edge to make the swirls. We're adding the spots with the other machine, but we've overlocked them. Hopefully it looks good on. So yeah, we did the circles separately and then did the rest of the shirt with the overlocker. We have the top. I crazily found this amazing fabric and I've decided I'm gonna make a top kind of like this pattern with that and the rest of the white that I randomly cut out yesterday, and make something cool like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some shapes. So just like the other one, I made another pattern and I cut that out again, and I drew a design of kind of what I had from my reference pictures, maybe adding a few extra squares to it. I cut them out into pieces and then cut out individual pieces in the material, making it kind of have like a checkerboard effect. I have finally cut out all the pieces. It took so long. So the back is gonna be basic. Okay, cool. Nana's putting together the puzzle because it's too complicated for me to do. Now these all had to be overlocked together in like a certain order so that it would work properly, but I'm sure you could figure it out if you were trying to do it. It's just a bit of a mindfuck. Alright, I got this cool new shirt, which is kind of good for Disneyland. And now I found these shirts, which are all my dad's old shirts. I'm gonna put all the New Zealand stuff as a surprise. So for this one, I cut a pattern out of a little t-shirt, kind of a baby tee that I had lying around. And instead of having a pattern for how I was gonna do the shirt, I decided to just like hack into my dad's t-shirts and make something up. And it honestly took a long time to work out the puzzle. This is the back. We'll see how that works. This could be an ugly shirt. I'm not sure. We'll see. Then Nana somehow put it all together. It kind of was really annoying, but we got there in the end. But I'm pretty happy she did it because it's a pretty cool shirt. We are making a pattern from this dress, which is a halter, onto some paper. This is like the massive sewing table. We've got this pattern for a halter. We've got fabric. I'm not sure if that's gonna work. If I did it on the inside, could I make it reversible?
Yeah, you can.
Top number 2, we've cut it out. That's going on the inside. Funky. We're going for the straps. 2 straps that are really long.
2 straps for each, 1 for each, 2 for each side. They look like they've been bought to match.
Yeah, but clearly we just pulled them out of the boxes. For the straps, they are just these very long tubes of fabric and you just pull it through it itself, and it's very tedious, but we got there. how to thread it. Got one way, the other way. Alright, I've threaded it through this side and then this side, and then we'll tie it around the bottom and the same on this side. So we'll see if this fits. Alright, we got another top. It's a little bit gapey here, so we're going to fix that up, maybe do some darts on the side, but gotta bring Nana out to do the halter top. Gotta get them boobs right, eh, Nana?
Of course we do, darling.
Nana has made this while I was out. I would do a tutorial, but I let the Nanas do this one. We're cutting this fabric out. Do I need this many tops? Probably not.
So you just knot it, do you?
Yeah, you just knot it at the back. Look at this magic. Sad times. The sewing machine has stopped working. It's not working anymore, so we're gonna have to move on to the baby sewing machine. Luckily we have a backup. You'll do us good. Okay, somehow it's like 2 weeks later. I'm in America. But here's what I made. I was just a whirlwind because I couldn't like film everything and I was leaving, but this is the first thing that we made, which is this skirt. It's like kind of a wrap skirt, and this really cute top, and this really amazing material. We didn't even have to double layer it. It's just as it is, but the back is where it's at. I really wanted to make this a halter where you tie up the top, but it was like pulling so weird. So I was kind of just trying it on one time and kind of was pulling it back. I was like, how about we make ties like this? And we strapped it across the back, tied it up like that, and boom, we have this super cute top. And I already wore this when I was in Chicago and it looks so cute. So I like it because I can wear the top as its own or with the skirt or vice versa. So yeah, also addressing the fact that I have changed my hair yesterday and got nails. Who am I? Oh, and also I made, well, I say we all know after watching that video that Nana made all this stuff. She made this mask last minute. We have a matching mask because we love that matching moment. Next up, we have my little favorite top. Actually, I'm gonna say that to about all of these tops, but I've had my eye on this kind of top on Pinterest for so long, and I was like, Nana, we got to make this one. And I basically cut out the pattern, well, the shape of a shirt that I already liked, and then drew a kind of yin yang pattern, and we used her overlooker to kind of put it together. So, and the back is just the opposite. It just doesn't have the circles. So yeah, this one's awesome. Next we have this top, which probably almost killed my Nana. It was supposed to be the easiest top. I was going to just put a bunch of different things together and just make, I don't know, a mishmash of things, but it got so complicated when I tried to match all these different elements and turn it into a t-shirt. And it's kind of weird, but I kind of like it. But I thought I really want to have a New Zealand t-shirt to take to America to be like, yo, that's where I'm from, even though some people probably don't know where that is. We have the haka, and yeah, just a bunch of elements all around. There's like these little bits and these little bits, and it is made out of a bunch of shirts that are my dad's, so I thought that'd be pretty cool. We got the collar, lots of things. My boyfriend said it looked like a motocross shirt or something, so I'm just gonna roll with the motocross aesthetics. How come everything looks good with the skirt? This one is so cute. This was like, I didn't really plan it, but Nana was like, hey, we got Mickey Mouse fabric, so we got a Mickey Mouse shirt. Mickey kind of falling around, and then the back is a little bit different because this was so annoying to put together that we were like, let's just make the back easy. So it's just like that on the back. Makes me want to go to like Disneyland or something just to wear it there, but this is a one-of-a-kind, people. Hit me up if you want one. Or hit my Nana up, basically. Now the last one's actually pretty interesting because it's reversible. So I'm gonna quickly show you what it looks like not on and then what it looks like on. So here we have this side, which is this awesome fabric. It's like all these animals. And then on the other side, I don't know how to describe it, but it's wiggly print. So I'm gonna show you what that all looks like on. All right, so here is the top. And I did the fun side first. As you can see, we have like a shit ton of this strap that goes all around the front like 3 times. So if I need to tie anyone up, I'm good. But this is the back. Super strappy, backless moment. And then the front. It is so cute. We had to adjust this section a few times so it wouldn't like be so gapey. And that is the side, and I will flip it around for you. So, and then we got this side. As you can see, it's a bit more plain, but we love it. Just tied at the front. I mean, I could seriously tie it any direction, but we love it. It's cool, awesome top. And I think that's all the things that we sewed at my Nana's house. Yes, this was gonna be a tutorial, but like my Nana kind of took over, which is good because these things would not have turned out as good if I had tried to do it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video where I don't even know what this is, but I hope you like all the things we made, and maybe I can like show you how to make it in the future if you actually want to know how to make it. Yeah. Anyways, my name has been Jen. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And until next time, keep sewing or something. Bye.